In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cover photo to your profile on CoinMarketCap. If you're looking to personalize your CoinMarketCap profile and make it truly your own, adding a cover photo is a great first step. It's quite simple, so let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the CoinMarketCap website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL coinmarketcap.com in the address bar. Once you've arrived at the homepage, you're on the right track to get started. Now, with the website loaded, direct your attention to the upper section of the page where you'll find various options and icons. What we're interested in is accessing your profile. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your account. This step is crucial because you won't be able to make changes to your profile without being logged in. With your login credentials entered and access granted, you'll now want to locate the section where your profile is displayed. It typically appears as your username or a small profile icon at the top of the page. Clicking on this will take you to your profile page. On your profile page, you'll notice various details about your account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout if you haven't done so already. Your attention should now be drawn to the empty cover photo area. This area is specifically meant for the cover photo that you would like to add. By clicking on this empty space, you open up the option to upload a cover photo from your device. Now, it's time to choose the perfect cover photo. Ensure the image you select is something that represents you or aligns with your interests, as this will be the visual representation of your profile. When uploading, remember to choose a high-resolution image. This ensures it displays well across different devices and screen sizes. Upon clicking, a browser window will pop up where you can select the image from your files. Locate the image you've decided to use and click Open. Once your selection is made, CoinMarketCap will upload the photo and display it on your profile. It might take a few moments, so patience is key while the image processes and uploads. After a successful upload, you'll see your chosen image now adorning the top of your profile page. And just like that, you've personalized your CoinMarketCap profile with a cover photo. If at any point you wish to change the cover photo, simply repeat these steps and swap it out for another image. Congratulations on customizing your profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy your enhanced CoinMarketCap profile.